Hey guys, Adrian back with you for another video. Now, out of the framers out there, who of you would like to come to this site and be given a free framing gun? Well, that's just what happened today to me. My other gun was in the shop for warranty, and long story short, they couldn't figure out what the problem was with it, so they just gifted me a whole new gun. So pretty pleased about that. So you got to give credit where credit's due. Kudos to Milwaukee. It did take a while, but in the end ended up with a whole new gun, so all ends well. Okay guys, something to consider when you're buying your next tool: which companies back up their warranty. Alright guys, take care and have a great weekend. Bye for now.